Good morning, chat. Or afternoon or evening, depending on where you are in the world. Or middle of the night. Funny how these things work. My clock wasn't updated for daylight saving, so I kind of woke up at like 5:30, but my clock said 4:30, so I tried to go back to sleep. And then it woke me up at 30 minutes later because I set the alarm on my fucking phone. It's fine. How's everyone doing? I got some pretty PogChamp stuff and things for today's stream. And if you can read the title, you can probably figure it out. Or get an idea of what's going on. Because I was watching the award show, as one does. And I messaged Stans because he got the award for Rising Star, which is PogChamp. And then he gave me an amazing idea, which is the stream title right now, which is Wordle, but instead of a word, it's your credit card number. Now, you might be thinking, Otto, that doesn't make sense. Why would you give away your credit card number? But think of what good clickbait it is. So, yeah, that's what we're going to make. Should be fun. I have some basic ideas on how it's going to go. I mean, I've made Wordle before, but I want this version to look closer to the original Wordle than to Squabble does. Rosa, thank you for the 13 months of tier 1, by the way. And Gally Lurch, thank you for the Prime subscription. I'm down to 128 subscribers because I haven't streamed in a while. So if you have your primes, this is the prime time to use them. Yeah, let me ping the Discord. All right. So, Wordle accepts your credit card. Where do we start here? Well, luckily I already have a project template all rare to go. Just Jess, thank you for the 10 months of tier 1. Okay. Let's look at the actual Wordle. I don't like how this thing looks at all. But we should make it look similar enough to this. Maybe we should just copy this directly. This is the one that people are most familiar with. Okay, so This is going to be a bit of, like, doing the same thing that I've already done for Squabble, but let's just get started here. A word row is defined as a list of letter boxes, and the length is 16, I believe, is the length of a credit card number. Did I see Shaw 256 Little Indian? No. I did not. Okay, so we want to get a list of all the letters, like so. For let I equals 0, I is less than length I plus plus. Gargantuous Lulu, thank you for the 2 months of tier 1. And nobody that you know of, thank you for the 2 months of Prime. Alright, so for this word row, and it's not really a word, it's more like a credit card. Let's just do this. Let's put the letters inside this box. Let's make this box flexible. Let's make it a line item center. Let's make ourselves a letter box. Letterbox kind of has like a value, and then it has a state. Let's store this actually, and then types.ts export enum letter correctness not in word. Oh, there goes my alarm again. Don't know if you guys can hear that. How do I turn this off permanently? There we go. Not in word, in position, or no, in word, and then in position. It was Wordle, but you have to guess a SHA-256 hash of a word. That's funny. Oh, it's not. Okay, I see. All right, letter correctness. Each letter has a correctness linked to it. Each letter box is a box. Each box contains the value. That is good enough for now. So then we have to add all these letters to the word row. And then on our main page, we'll just put a word row right here. And look at that. A big chunk of nothing. Why is there nothing? Because I didn't actually give any values to these letters. So let's pass in a word to the word row. And then we'll do value equals word I. Or if that's not a thing, just empty. Word is undefined. Yeah, that's because I didn't define it. I could have figured that out on my own. Thanks a lot. And let's just put a 7, 8. Okay. And that looks like a big lot of just nothing again. But this is different this time. Actually, let me center it. And there we are. A lot better display flex. Big letters. Okay. Looks pretty good. Let's give these a border. And now it looks a lot more like Wordle. Except it doesn't look quite enough like Wordle yet. So let's actually just yoink these colors and also probably... Oh, wow, this uses custom components. Very cool. Yeah, let's yoink this. Why can I not copy this actual color? Oh, I know. I can just color pick it. 5 head. There we go. And this is 2 pixel border. Okay, and now I think we need a bit of a margin on these. How much of a margin exactly? Well, these don't actually have margins. Game Row maybe has a margin. Let's say that's way too much. That's pretty good. That's pretty much better, I think. Now the thing is with credit card numbers, I kind of want there to be like an extra little margin after every 4 digits, right? How's this different from normal Wordle? Read the title. It's pretty clear, I think. I hope it's pretty clear from the title how this is different from normal Wordle. Oh, yeah, if I make this a fucking grid. Wait. Then I can do the extra spacing in the grid, and I don't even have to mess with, like, nth of type. Hold up. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, no flex has a gap too, but... Boom. See, now we're already back here. And then... Wait, can you do grid gap with a template? No, you can't. Never mind. Okay, in that case, we'll just do nth of type div. Wait, 2n, no, 4n. And this is going to be very abrasive, but also exactly perfect. Except I don't really want to include the last one in this, do I? Timothy, thank you for the 8 months of Prime. Bit more than that. Bit more than that. There we go. Thank you very much for the Prime again. Ugh. Okay. This looks good. Now I just have to make it input. Twisted Rail, thank you for the 3 months of tier 1. I have to make this input text, and I have to make it match the fucking... Is it svelte? Smelt. Okay. Let's change this to letter state. Unsubmitted. Oh, speaking of svelte, I should use svelte for this, because then I can learn svelte. And also host the entire thing on Cloudflare. Might switch to that in a second. No, I'm not doing Vue. I'll never learn Vue. I will maybe learn Svelte. Okay. So I just need to add some extras. Letter state dot unsubmitted equals transparent. Oh, not equals. Not in Word is a little bit of this. In Word, and then in position. And that's how you yoink. BG colors state. Like so, and now they should all be... Okay. Okay, so that all looks good. I will now switch to Svelte, I believe. Yeah, let's learn an entirely new JavaScript thing. Svelte, or let me just call this credit Wordle S. Do a bit of this. Oh wait, stop. Credit Wordle. Svelte kit demo app or skeleton project? Probably demo app. Yes, TypeScript. Yes, ESLint. Yes, Prettier. No Playwright. All right, how does this Svelte thing work? How do I run it? Okay, I can just run yarn dev. Oh, thank you. Okay. Yeah, you guys are about to watch me learn an entirely new framework. It's gonna be fun. Where do I start here? Okay, I have some static text and images in there. Node modules. A build folder. Some of this stuff. A config. Adapter automatic. And then the most of the matter. We got an HTML file here with tags for injecting the head and the body. Interesting. Truckfit Steezy, thank you for the prime. Hooks. Huh. Some declared stuff. Some CSS. Routes. Lib. Form. What is this shit? Should probably install the Svelte language server if I'm going to work on this. Okay, should problem. Would you like to enable it? Enable plugin. Reload window. Okay, so this is a script language. It's TypeScript. We import this Spring, which I assume is for animating it. And then this is just HTML and some CSS as well. And that's all you do here? Here's an on-click listener. What is displayed count? Ah, it's a Spring. I see. What does this $sign equals? Does this like indicate that it's a variable used that should re-render it? Head section. I guess this is just the body. Style again. Okay, this seems like fairly simple. Let's fucking code then, I guess. I mean, I just have to copy this stuff from my Wordle that I just made into this. Not that it should be too hard. So I want to make it the same things that I've already done. I want to go here. I want to maybe make a new file called letterbox.svelte. Okay. And this contains a script. Language is TypeScript. And then a little div. And how do I attach styling to the div? Just a class and then a class like that. Okay. I wonder if this class is local to this file or not. In which case I could do this. Okay. Let's see if this renders. Gonna get rid of all this shit. All of this shit. Do a bit of this. Okay. There it is. So if I look at this, the class is root, and then it has this thing attached to it. So yeah, it looks like it is scoped styles. Here's I'm going for svelte. I think it's really cool. I want to try it. I like how it compiles just to vanilla JavaScript, so it's the fucking fastest thing. Okay, that is pretty dang easy so far. So now I want to make the word row again. Let me actually open up my original letterbox. I can also just copy this stuff over because this is necessary. I do need this here. So now can I import this? Yes, I can. That imports up there. Okay, all makes sense so far. Now the question is, how do I have a dynamic style attached to this? Well, let's make it wait a second. Let's give it the rest of the styles it needs. So flex, center, all this stuff. Okay. So far, so good. Bennett, thank you for the 5 months of tier 1. And now it is magically... Why isn't it reloading automatically? Is that not a thing Svelte can do? Okay, there we go. This is all in its correct box. Okay, now I need to give it a dynamic style. So let's look up Svelte. Okay. Aha. Okay, so I can do style colon background equals BG color. Like so. And then I can do a fucking what? Const BG color equals BG colors. Okay, how do I pass state to an element? Genfy, thank you for the prime sub. Appreciate that very much. Attributes and props. Oh, okay, this is what I thought happened. I forgot a colon, though. It marks a statement as reactive. Oh, wait, this is super duper cool. Holy shit. Something different when we start within the world. But how do I get an elements props? Examples. Declaring props. There we go. There we go. This is what I want. Okay. Oh, this is fucking sick. Export let bg or state is a letter state. And then I can do bg colors state. A label is not allowed here. Oh, I don't think I even need to do this. I can just do that. It doesn't need to be reactive. And then, does this work? I don't... This isn't updating when I change stuff. Hello? Why does this not update when I change stuff? Is my config wrong, chat? Anyone know? It's broken. It's not even... It's like not connecting or some shit. It says connecting, but it never says connected. That's cringe. Well, anyway. I should be able to go here and say state equals... actually what? State equals 0 like that? Does that work? And then state equals 1? Or do I have to do... Probably do have to do this. And that works just flawlessly. Okay, very cool. Didn't change the test? Yeah, that's only when I manually reload the page. It should automatically do it when I change the code. But whatever. Ooh, water. Ah, delicious. There's an error in my console? No, it's not related to that. This is not... This is unrelated. That always happens for some reason. And, like, if I test it here... It works in Chrome, but not Firefox. Good to know. Yeah, it connects here. Okay, we'll just use Chrome then, I guess. Okay, we make a little word row next. Svelte. Okay, so can I do a little, like, for loop through components? Like... Each? Okay. So this is looping through items. Yeah, I can deal with this. That's fine. This is cool. So we make a little root class here, and then we do each letter as letters. Wait, not each word as letter. This is a weird syntax. And then we do like a little bit of another, just a letter box in here. Like so. And then like state equals letter state dot unsubmitted. Like so. So word does not exist yet, but I can just do word equals. Okay, there we are. I do need a style here. And we are now back exactly where we were. That was pretty fast, given that I didn't know svelte at all before this. Music's a little low. Was this slot? If I remove this, does it remove the page? Yes. All right, let's remove this footer. Let's remove this shit over there. Let's get rid of this header. Don't need that shit. What's app.css have in it? Ew, don't want any of this. Don't need this about page either. Ooh, okay, this is gonna be interesting. We don't need this counter. I don't know what this form.ts means. I don't think I want it. I don't think I want this either. This looks pretty good, I guess. Okay. Now, we're gonna have to do some playtesting here, chat, because I don't know how hard it is gonna be to guess a credit card number. I play like Sedisordal, and it's like they have exactly 16 and then 5 extras, which makes sense. Let's play this real quick. This one's fun. Get my dailies in. PLEAN. LIAV. Okay. Lived. It could be LD. No, it could be LD. It could be AD. Come back to that one. Shit. You can't have a lot of mistakes in this. It looks like you have a lot of guesses, but if you make a single mistake, you're not going to be able to guess them all. We should be able to get this one. Panel. PITED. That's everything. The E can't go there. Probably ID. PID. Epid. Tepid. Is there a T? Yes, tepid. Nice. OEL. D. Yodel? There's no Y. Modal? I shouldn't guess it. Oh, TAU. Probably taunt, right? Okay. This one's going to be tough. LA blank V. There's an R. Larva? Nice. Oh, valid. SUYH. Huh, that's a weird one. Model. Fuck. That gave us info, though. So it's Do... Stud something else. Dowel, probably. Okay, if that wasn't Dowel, I think I lose right then and there. But I do now have info on M and D. And W. Oh, which is good for this. MA... Manga or something? Maga? Oh, it's MAGXA. Magma. Still have no info on this one. This one's got an M and an A that might be in the last position. NOI. Only NO and I. God, I have no info on these. ORCR something. Crew. Yeah, I don't have any info. I have 5 guesses and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to get one of these words on every single guess, chat. I have no spare guesses. TEAW. H. I have all 5 on this one. And it ends with a T. And the E can't be there or there. So it's probably XXE. WT. I got an A somewhere. E could be EAT. Theat. Wheat. Nice. that give us any info on this? No. Nor on this. Fuck. Hussy. Husky? Fuck. I lose. What the fuck is this? Bushy? Damn it. Oh, this is probably crook. Okay, this one has a double O. And the O isn't there. I-O. Probably ion. Onion. Fucking onion. And I missed what? Amber? Nice. Ugh. Okay, anyway, I was talking about this and I was saying something. I forgot what it was. But back to this. Oh yeah, I was saying this one has exactly 16 guesses plus like 5. Which is easy to do when you're doing multiple Wordles at once. The problem comes when you're doing credit card, which is like how many is fair, not only for 16 digits, because that would obviously be more than 5 digits, but it's also 16 only numbers. So instead of 26, you only have 10 options for numbers. Who knows? And then the question is, do we credit card numbers themselves? They don't have like not all sequences of 16 numbers are valid credit card numbers. They have like built-in checksums. So do we do that? Do we do like similar in Wordle? You can't guess non-words, so you can't just guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know. Do we make it so you can only guess valid credit card numbers? Questions that need to be answered. I will not answer them all today. I will answer some of them tomorrow. Let's see. What was I doing? Let's do the input method. Can I put this here? Looks like I can't. Can I put it here? Do I have to reload? Fuck, why do I have to reload so much? I probably have to restart the app because I deleted a bunch of stuff. Can I put it here now? Yes, okay, I can. Okay, so for this input, oops. It should be, can I do type equals hidden on this? No, because then you probably can't even type into it. Visibility, hidden, Pointer events none. Ziption absolute. So now there's this hidden input right here, but I want it to always be focused. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, svelte fragment. Okay. Good info we're getting here. But I want to bind on events right here. Okay. Matt, thank you for the Prime for 3 months. Okay, so on blur, I want to do like EV goes to EV.target.focus. Can I do that? Fuck me. Come on. Test. So I typed test into it. Now can I do, what is the value? Still empty. Let me make it not invisible for a second. Oh, I can't even click on it. But focusing, doing this focus event doesn't seem to do anything. Can I do .click? So now I can type into it, but okay, wait, I'm trying to click out of it now and I can't. It automatically refocuses. What is this EV? Okay. Oh, focus. Um, this is probably not the best way to do this. Okay, how do I get like a reference to this element? Bind this probably. Huh, this is sick. Oh wait, I can do this, and this will be Pog Champ. There we are. And can I do current target, and then it'll automatically... Okay, there we go. Okay, so I just want to do input.focus. This is what I want to do. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Holy shit. That's so cool. I can just do this. I can literally just do this and it works. Oh, I'm loving svelte already. This is sick. And can I type now? Let's test very, very easily whether or not I can type or not. Let value, and then console.log value like that, and then I'll just do bind value equals value. Oh, I can literally just do bind value because it's called value. And now it doesn't seem to be typing in it though. Is that because it's visibility hidden? Okay, we'll do opacity 0 instead. And now, as I type in the box, the value gets printed out automatically. This is sick. This is actually so cool. Okay. Now I want the value. Well, I kind of want the word to be the value. So like bind value equals word. And then so easy to do. Holy shit. And then I can just type in it and it'll appear like that. Now, my question is, why the fuck is this being all weird? Like, why are these not boxes? Square boxes, shouldn't they be? That's better. Okay, wait, this is... What is playing on Spotify? Oh, it's just my liked songs. That's why it's so repetitive. Yeah. Okay, one last thing I want to do on this is I want there not to be a right margin on the last element, so I can do that. Perfect. Parfait. Oui. Okay, I do now want to add a border to this. This needs to be probably like this. Only two can make it alone. There we go. That's much better. However, you'll notice that it doesn't show all 16 of the boxes as I start deleting them, which is not good. Why is that? Because I didn't. It's because I didn't render them all. I need to go here. So if I want to constrain this word to have a max length, can I do like word equals word dot substring 016? No, I can't do that. Unless I do this, maybe. Okay, that worked. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it. Oh. Okay, I can't do this. Let rendered. That's rendered. Rendered word equals word dot pad end 16. And then each rendered word. And then I cannot type. Wait, back. I can't delete. Why can I not delete? Oh. Okay, we gotta learn some more about this. I don't know exactly how to use svelte yet. And all the oh, if it consists entirely of a. Here we are. There we are. I can now type perfectly well in this box. And it'll automatically use those. This is, dare I say it, this has been maybe 3 times as easy as it was in React. Even with me not knowing how to use svelte. So yeah, svelte is kind of PogChamp so far. Okay, these are way too big. Why are they still way too big? Let's make them smaller a bit. That's a lot better. Okay, so now I need multiple of these rows. However, this is gonna be not. Yeah, it's not gonna work because it's. I mean, I guess it kind of does work, as in it only uses the last one. But what I want to do is I want to do export let input, and this is a boolean or undefined. Is input. I should put this in here. And then I only want to render this if is input. I want to put this input here. Now I can't type anything, which is right. Is input is a Boolean, but it's a Boolean or undefined. How do I make an optional prop? Oh, I just have to do that. So now if I put like is input on this one, I can start typing in it. Nice. Okay. 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 Now I do need to make an API backend for this. And the question is, I want to use Cloudflare because I use that for everything. But is there a way to integrate that nicely with Svelte Kit? So there's this API thing here, right? Oh. This is not an endpoint. Okay, how do I make an endpoint? Okay, FAQ. How do I use the thingy? Endpoints. Okay, endpoints are modules written in JavaScript or TypeScript that export request handler functions. Their job is to make it possible to write data, blah, blah, blah. Okay, how do I define one of these endpoints? They're just modules that export request handler functions. Okay, so can I just make an endpoint? That's like, I guess like guess.ts. Okay. Okay. So if I now go to /guess. Okay, that actually worked very flawlessly. So this returned the body like I did want it to. Now the question is, how do I get access to... Can I run this on Cloudflare workers? Platform specific context. This is fucking exactly what I want. Holy shit. Okay, I want my adapter to be adapter Cloudflare. I was in the middle ground. Okay, let's see. The env object containing KV namespaces is passed to SvelteKit via the platform property along with context, meaning you can access it in hooks and endpoints. Aha, I see. I can just go in here, uncomment this, env is KV namespace. Now, KV namespace, I don't have a reference to that. But I should be able to do platform console.log platform.env. And this is going to be undefined right now, right? No, platform is undefined in overall. But how do I do local development on this? Can I run it with Miniflare? Bum 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 bum. This is confusing. Oh fuck, this is cringe though. Okay. I see what this is doing. Um. Yeah, I want to. I just want to, I guess, test it. Also, I kind of want to look at what the outputs of this are. Because it's supposed to be all like, it compiles to static JavaScript, but this doesn't look like static JavaScript. Pages. I guess it's minified. Okay, can I... How do I deploy this is the question. Publishing. No, I don't want to publish. I want to... Where? Where do I go? Is there seriously nothing in here about support environments? How do I deploy? Deploy, yeah. How do I deploy it? Deploy. How? Come on, there's got to be a guide for deploying this, right? Oh. Huh. Create a project. Oh, okay. Okay, I can do this. Publish this real quick. Go to Cloudflare. Yeah, we'll do it using Ludwig's money. And then where? Pages. Create a project. Connect GitHub to automated. Select repository. Credit Wordle. Okay, can I leak this? Probably. Production branches indeed. Main build command. npm run build. Build directory build. Node version 14. Anything else? Credit Wordle is fine. Salt kit. Wait, it says adapter static. But I want to use adapter Cloudflare so that I can access KV. Come on, how long are you gonna take to build? It failed. Okay, yeah, this is what I thought would happen. It's not... It didn't fucking build to the build directory. No functionality loss. Wait, here's the deployment. But wait, why didn't this work then? What the fuck? Oh, build output is completely different. Change settings. Thought energy deliver me and carry me away. Okay, this should be good this time, hopefully. Electrify. Success. Your site was deployed. Well, seems to be pretty deployed. Except it doesn't work. I can't type. Could I type on localhost? See how the serfs work the ground. And I give it all I've got. Oh, it doesn't work on Firefox. See how the... Oh, Firefox is just bad and awful. Okay. That's what I thought. Doctor, I can't tell if I'm not me. Now the question is, if I go to /guess, okay, it didn't throw an error. So that means it probably has access to the platform environment. Now, I don't know how to add a a namespace. I don't know how to configure my Wrangler config. Where do I put the Wrangler? I don't see any documentation for this shit at all, which is really annoying. Maybe it's on the website somewhere. Oh, it'd be on this fucking website. No, it's not here. Maybe it's in here? No, this is just the fucking same thing. Well, which one am I supposed to use? Cloudflare Workers or Cloudflare Pages? I want to use Pages, but I don't know where to put my Wrangler config for it. Wait, okay, so here's the Cloudflare output, and there's a worker.js file right here. Does this contain a like /guess? It does. Look right here. I'm leaving today. I used to spend the time. Okay. Wait, so this is this is fine. This is like assuming that this is a worker. Yeah, this is a worker. Okay. So this is an automatically generated worker that is that includes my my guess.ts file right here. Here it is. Here's the guess. Here's the console.log. So this should all work. I just don't see anywhere for the Wrangler config to go. Ooh, migrating from workers' sites to pages. Wrangler. Okay, I mean, I guess I could put it, no. Okay, if I look in this file, right, if I look for env dot something, there's only env dot assets. That's the only thing that exists. So if I look for now assets, okay, these are the only two instances of assets in the entire project. Shit. Both of these support all SvelteKit features. Cloudflare pages, how do I... Wrangler.toml. Where do I put this? Why this does not help? Okay, we got to test this. If I put a wrangler.toml here and then I put some random broken text in it and I upload this, is it going to give me an error? Is it going to be like, oh, I tried to look in this Wrangler file and it was all fucked up. What are you doing? Will it say that to me? If so, we may be in the money. Lost at sea, maybe I'll be Okay. So that worked fine. What if I put it in the static folder? Oh, BRB chat. This should fail. Tell me if it fails. If it fails, I'll be very happy. Fuck, it succeeded. God damn it. Build settings. Build output directory. Like if I build, wow, that only took 1.29 seconds. Why did it take like 30 seconds on here? Go together in the flight. Yeah, put this file here. That's what I thought it would do. And it did do that. Okay. So there's this functions shit, which is not what I want to use because I don't want a functions directory. I just want a... I want to use the worker thing. Adding bindings. Okay. It looks like maybe I can add bindings on the dashboard itself, and maybe I can't add them elsewhere. Settings. Any bindingers? Okay, here we are. Okay, add bindings. Okay, wait, actually this should work. Now, how would I test this? Well, first of all, let's remove this Wrangler file. Second of all, if I go to guest.ts, let's just make this like a counter. And I want to add like... workers types. Yes. There we are. That's that's nice. Okay, so I can now do counter dot get like this. This will get the number, and then I'll do that platform.env.counter.put value next.to string, and then return body is next. No one left us standing. All right, counter test. Am I high ranked in any games? No. I do need to make a new KV. We'll call this credit Wordle. Okay, there we are. So now, fingers crossed this works. Fuck. Counter is undefined. Shit. Fuck. Any plans for a Squabble update? No. No plans at all. Probably won't do that for months. Shit, I don't want to use this. I don't want to use it. I want to use functions. Oh, wait, this is functions. In some cases, the built-in thing is undesirable. You can create a worker.js file in the output directory of your pages project. When using a worker.js file, the entire functions directory is ignored. It must be written using the syntax. It assumes full control of all incoming HTTP requests to your domain. Okay. Wait, so this worked. Why didn't it create a binding? Why would it hurt me? Why was it real? Well, let's look at the output here. So here's the env. Here's it. Responding. Svelte shit. I mean, I don't see why this wouldn't be working. I probably need to do some quick something like this. All right, wait for the build. There be more. All right, hurry up. Yeah, get some sleep, Dutch. Anyone like my new emote that I added? Oh, wait, you can't use it because no one subscribed to my channel anymore. Because everyone forgot that their primes were available. Their prime subs, their Twitch primes. And they're so easy to use. Ugh, how could so many people forget that they can use their prime subs on me? I can't believe it. Wait, here's the counter. Counter exists. Okay, one more time. I think it might have just needed to like rebuild after I added the binding. Okay. Did this work now? Maybe? Not a number. Okay, that's fine. I can fix that. Boom. Are you guys going to this page right now? And fucking it up? I bet you are. Well, it's working. It's working, chat. We figured everything out. Now, all we have to do is we gotta like store the credit card number there. And then calculate the guess. Okay, I can do this. This is not hard. This is not hard at all. Okay, get rid of this. Put this. Okay. So, what is the goal here? We need to. Let me just steal code from Squabble for calculating the guess. There we are. Get correctness. Okay. Oh. There we are. So I need to get the request body. Can I do that in here? What the heck? Oh, here, request event. Request URL params locals platform. Okay, so I want to get request. Yeah, it's just a normal request. Okay. Request, and then I can do constant body equals await request.json, like so. Let's see. Actually, I just want to get the text, because it'll just be the guess. And then I'll just do return get correctness. The guess is body, and the correct we'll just hard code this for now. And this loop, this function should work the exact same for credit cards and normal words, actually. Very nice. What I want to do next is go to my home page, which is not loaded. Okay. And I need to actually create the guessing system. Although, I need a way of preventing cheating. I'll think about that later. So currently we just have manually put down 5 word. Oh wait, I forgot to. I want words to only allow. How do I do an inverse group? Oh, yeah. There's already an inverse group for it. And does this actually work? Can I? So now I can't. Yeah, now I can't type letters. Huh. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be like a real card that you can use. All right. I want a bit less space between these, I think. That's better. Am I finding svelte? Very, very good so far. Very good indeed. My spacing's all fucked here. That's fine. All right. What am I trying to do now? Good question. I'm converting from having a static number of boxes to having wait, there's a problem here. You can use the arrow keys to navigate around the box and it gets all fucked up. Fuck, how do I solve that? Prevent cursor movement HTML input. Okay, so I can do like on key. What? Is key up not a thing? What is wrong with this? It's being all weird. Oh, that actually worked perfectly. I'm using the arrow keys right now. Nothing happens. I also can't do Command A or Control A, which is actually perfect. I don't want to be able to do that. Anyway, back to what we were doing. On the home page, let guesses. This is gonna be an array. And a guess is kind of like that. That's what it looks like. Okay. Okay. Okay, got it. I have to do export let word. Get rid of that. Now there's nothing, but there will now be a normal word row. Word equals empty is input. Nice. Okay. Now I need to detect when you submit. Can I... Is submit called when you press enter? No. No, it's not. Okay, so I'll just do key down then. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it is printing out submit when I press enter. Now I need a function for that. Have I tried Remix.js? No, I haven't. I like Next too much. Okay. Oh, I guess I could do export let submit is a function on submit word. Ooh, but I have to check if it's the right length. Or I can do this. So now nothing happens, and now it submits. Okay, PogChamp. I now have to go back to the index. Here we are. I'm missing on submit. It should be optional, though, I guess. Okay, wait. Music. That regex structure is so cool. Thank you. I designed it myself in about 5 seconds. Okay. For the one that is on submit, we want to do how I used my memory of how regex works. What? This is literally vanilla JavaScript. You can do this yourself in JavaScript right now. I'm not that good at regex. This is literally, look how simple this is. It's just a digit. The only reason I knew that this was a digit is before I Googled how to strip all white space characters, and it was like, okay, capital D is a shorthand character class. That means all non-digits. So obviously lowercase d is all digits. So I already knew that that was a digit, and then it just says 16. So 16 digits in a row. See me do goated ones before? Maybe I'm goated. It's a possibility. It's plausible. All right, so when you submit a word, I want to do guesses.push word. And then states is, we'll just make this empty for now. So now, if I type in a guess and submit, nothing happens. Or does it? It might be that I just have to mutate this correctly. Okay, wait, nothing is happening. Oh, I forgot to. Can I do this? Fuck. Oh, I can do this. Oh, fucking, that's awesome. Okay. I take it back. Okay, yeah, so see, it is actually adding to the array, but it's not updating the page. I kind of expected that to happen, so. Assignments are reactive. Update expressions and property assignments have the same effect. Using array methods like push and splice won't automatically trigger updates. A subsequent assignment is required to trigger the update. Oh. So I can just do this. This guesses.push. No, it returns a number, so I can just do this. Why svelte? Yeah, just to try it. I've heard very good things about it, and it so far is very PogChamp. Oh, there we go. Okay, Pog. I can now submit new guesses. I do want to clear the word, though. Let's see. Is it as simple as this? Please tell me it is. No, it's not. Fuck. God damn it. Can I put reactive statements inside functions? No. I'm kind of want to bind the word, right? I want to bind the word. I don't want to set the word. I want to bind the word. Can I do that? Oh, no shot. What the fuck? That's so cool. Hold up. I can literally just do that and it works? Wait. This works? Holy shit! Well, that's so cool! It's that easy. I can literally just type bind word. And then it binds it, and then it automatically updates this one. Fucking hell, that's crazy. That's so cool. Shit. What's trailing comma? All. I want it to be all. I don't know. All right. Okay, this is so sick and cool. What I want to do now. Ooh, I have a feeling I'm gonna be so. I have a feeling it's gonna get even cooler, chat, because I'm about to go into animations. I don't want to. I want to yoink from Wordle. Oh, there we go. Where it does like a little bouncy bounce. Imagine that's just simple. Imagine it takes no effort at all to make it bounce like that when I submit a letter. Imagine. Are you imagining, chat? Because I spied with my little eye something that begins with animate. Svelte motion. Is it svelte motion that I want, or is it svelte animate that I want? Oh, I see. It creates a tweened value here. I think I want svelte animate because I want to trigger one-time animations. But I don't. Animate is not what I. Well. Inside my word row. It says you can only put them inside a keyed each block, but this is inside a keyed each block. But it only happens when it gets reordered. So that's not. I can't use animate for that because it's only on reorders. I lose my mind again. Should I do this inside the letterbox, maybe? Svelte's trigger animation. Very cool. This is cool. But it's not exactly what I'm looking for. I am clicking outside you. This is not quite what I want. These are interesting, though. Yeah, I know I can do a CSS transition. Well, no, I can't. I mean, I guess I could, but CSS animations are annoying. Okay, wait, I've passed everything I'm looking for. How to animate, this is what I want. Oh! Yeah. I mean, this is destroying and recreating its contents. A key would be letter. And then key. And then if I do transition fade, why does this not work? Do I have to import it? No. Like drifting through memory. Look up in your crystal sky. Oh, I have to import the flip function. Okay. Import fade from svelte / transition. Insanity, thank you for the 5 months of tier 1. It creates it and then it destroys it. So that's not quite what I want to happen. Because they both exist. So it double exists for a second. So I guess I don't want this. Yeah, this. In fade, I see. Oh, okay. Not bad. This actually looks kind of cool. Well, I uploaded this to my YouTube channel. I've not uploaded in a while, so maybe. Probably not. I mean, I don't have anyone to edit it, so no. So how do I make custom things? Custom transitions. Rise above it all. Here we are. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So function bounce. Is there a way to do... svelte transition? Yeah, it's my first time with svelte. That's not a thing. I know svelte transition return type is a thing, but svelte transition isn't. Svelte transition function. Return type has to mention it somewhere, right? Can I not? Okay. Okay, fine. I'll just do it manually. All right. Custom svelte transition TypeScript. Is there any... Fuck. Whatever. Whatever. This is an HTML element. Params, I don't even know what they are. Svelte transition params or something. What? No, this is awful. Wait. Oh, wait. This it's custom. I get to define the params. So I don't want to define any. And it returns a svelte transition return type. Okay. Delay is 0. Duration is 0. Or no, duration is like 100. Easing, I don't care. CSS, okay. So T. Wait, I have this, chat. I have this. It's a fucking. I mean, it's Desmos. It's Pi Day. This is a celebration of it. Okay, so what is the function I want to define? It wants to go like boom, boom, like that. It's like minus absolute value of t minus 0.5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1.5. Yeah. 1.5 minus math dot absolute value t minus 0.5. So easy. Obviously, it needs to be a bit less violent. Nice. Nice. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay. I don't love how it has to like delete and then recreate the I like how it has to delete and recreate the element to do this. I feel like that's kind of cringe, but it is just a simple div, so it's not a big deal. I wish I could just like trigger the animation on it. But yeah, this is Pog. That works perfectly. It even is better than New York Times one, for sure. Because mine has animation when you delete. This has a thing where like there's a different border color if it's filled. Is this... Ah, there we go. Bit of a... yoink. What is the letter? Oh, I guess it's... There we go. Oh. Ah. There we go. Goated. This should also be reactive. I did get snubbed for Stream of the Year at the awards show. You were so right. I regret not asking Ludwig if I could get an invite, because I feel like he would have said yes, most likely. But I didn't get one by default. I would have flown out. Would have been sick. Would have been a face reveal. Holy shit. Oh, I have plans for a face reveal, chat. Don't know when I'm going to enact them. But I think they're kind of goated plans. Oh, look, it's the same person who already asked if I would upload this as a video on my YouTube channel, and I answered them 10 minutes ago. That's crazy. I even went onto a tangent about how I don't have an editor, so that means I can't. It's saying that you asked again and didn't listen to the answer the first time. I need to make empty ones for when there's no, or like for the placeholder ones that you haven't seen yet. Okay, here we are. I want to do, is there a way to do like a for loop it type thing? Oh, that's so cool. You can do promise stuff. That's sick. You can do this, but yeah, I don't want to do this. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's a nice little hack. So I want the max guesses. Probably 10. It should be hard because this is my credit card number. Nice. Look, this works. Every time I guess, one tick gets taken away. So I just have to render a word row. And now it's going to be mad at me because I didn't give it a word. Oh, but I can do this, actually. Oh, this is starting to look like it, except we have a problem, Houston. Every time I submit, it does the bounce. Yeah, you get the CVV automatically if you get it right, I think. Yeah, well, I'm thinking we'll do actual credit card validation algorithms on the back end. So you can only guess valid credit cards, which makes it a bit harder. But maybe there are valid credit cards that are like 111111111. Hmm. But yeah, you're totally right. Silas, we need less than 10 guesses. Let me test this though. I need on submit. This needs to be async. It's very nice not to have to do state and set state. Okay, I want to do if is input disabled equals processing. So now you can't type in the input while it's processing the submission. And I want to do await fetch / guess method post. Body is just literally current word. And what does that give us? If I type in a random get, oh, I can't type. Now I can. Oh yeah, internal service. Wait, no, wait, it shouldn't give an internal error. Do I have to do this? No, wait, what? How do I do this then? Oh, is it? It should be lib.util. Lib/util. Like that, maybe. Just this? Oh, wait, it isn't in the lib folder. I should put it in here. There we are. I just put it in the wrong folder originally. Okay. There we are. Okay, so that worked. Actually that did work. Like that worked. So if I correct states equals await res.json, and now huh, it's not. Oh, what the fuck? There's the input. Wait, is it not? It wasn't disabled. It was just not. I'm confused. Oh, I didn't actually pass the states. How do I get the index in my each? Like so. Easy clap. Except it's not focusing the fucking text box. Shit. I want this to be reactive based on is input. So maybe this will work. No, fuck. Oh, shit. A script tag with a module attribute runs once rather than for. Oh, I see. That's interesting. So it's like static code. Or, whatever. Okay, but. I don't understand. So, it just printed out 1 true and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 false. If I submit, wait, it doesn't. Oh, I see. Okay, 1 true and 10 false, and then 1 true again because the input changed. If I now type into this one, what happens after this? It only triggers this one to false. It doesn't trigger the other one to true. Why the fuck is that? Do I have to like bind to it or something? No, I have to bind to a variable. I guess I could loop through the length directly and then do a bit of if statements in here. Let me try that. So I would do if guesses I. We do this. And then else if else if guesses I minus 1. Wait, how do I... Oh. Colon else. If then we put this guy in here. And then else we just put a blank word row. No, this should be else if I equals guesses dot length. That works. Ah, let's go. Okay, this looks to me as if it is working. It's not very fun, but that's not really the point. It's like, it's more of a gimmick, right? It doesn't need to be a fun game of Wordle because there's money involved. Okay, so there is the credit card number thingy. Now the only question becomes, how do we... well, we have to, like, react to winning. Also, there's more animations and we need to fix the existing animations. But I might do that next time. Tomorrow. That's right, chat. I will be streaming tomorrow. We'll make some more progress on this project. Maybe finish it. That would be cool. Because this is pretty fun. It's pretty fun. Svelte is very nice to work with. And once this is done, then we'll play it with an actual credit card number. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm gonna raid. Let's raid a Whodat. Never raided Whodat. Is he doing a subathon? Who knows? Wait, is he doing a subathon? Is he asleep? He's asleep. Wait. Cancel raid. Cancel. Then I'll raid. I don't know. Myth? Nobody's on. Anyway, yeah. Same time tomorrow, probably, chat. See you then.